Hello everybody, today I'm going to be taking you guys on a quick little walk around of this 1991 Subaru Sambar truck. This one's got 4-wheel drive, it's a 5-speed manual with an extra low gear, giving it a total of 6 forward gears. And this one is coming to us with just about 26,000 kilometers on it, or about 16,000 miles. So very low mileage for a 35-year-old truck, and its condition goes to show. As you can see here, paint looking all the way around is very clean. And there's not really any dents or anything anywhere on the body of the truck. Now, of course, with this Sambar, as well as all the other K trucks, you can fold all of these bed sides down. Just undo these little latches right here on all 4 corners, and you can fold the bed sides down flat like so. This one is equipped with some OEM chains which keep the bed held at about this flat angle, but you can easily remove them like so. If you want it to hang down like this, maybe make it a little bit easier to load some goods. Taking a look inside now, cleanliness continues on into all these door seals here. As you can see, completely rust-free truck all the way through, and even the seats are in pretty much brand new condition still. As you can see, no stains, no burns, tears, nothing. And the dash here is all in one piece as well, isn't cracking or anything. Everything is nice and solid here. Don't get AC in this one, unfortunately, but it's not really too big of a deal with these Sambars. The engine is, of course, all the way in the back on these, so most of the time, just cracking open your window here will do you plenty in the summer. Like I said, about 26,000 kilometers on there, about 16,000 miles. Very low mileage for a truck of this age. Very cool to see it. Horn does work there, as you can see, and you do have push button 4-wheel drive in this one, and as I said, 5-speed manual with an extra low gear. That's right there. Again, that's first right here. Go a little bit further left, there's your extra low crawl gear. To pop open your hood, I guess you could call it, it's just the rear bumper that just drops on down like so. And in here you have your 660cc naturally aspirated carbed inline 4. That's right, these Sambars did get 4-cylinder as opposed to the typical 3 cylinders you'd find in most K trucks. So everything in here is nice and clean. We've rebuilt the carb, put a new fuel pump in it, a couple other new bits. So this thing is pretty much fully serviced, ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start up this Sambar now. Show you guys just how easily it starts up. Just like that, it's already idling, and it idles nice and smooth, and everything drives fantastic. All the gear changes are nice and smooth, no crunching, grinding, anything like that anywhere. Throttle, as you can see, nice and responsive. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on, show you guys that those all work. And as you can see, headlights, turn signals here up at the front are all working as they should. And if we come around to the rear now, a little bit hard to see, but taillights, turn signals back here are also all working. If you were wondering about this badge right here, it just says Farming Sambar, so I believe that just means it was sold through the Japan Agricultural Co-ops to a farmer in Japan before it was exported and brought here to the US. If you want to come check out this Sambar for yourself, maybe even take it home with you, like I said, it is currently available at our Shoreline location. It is fully serviced and everything. Our address here is 16017 Aurora Ave N North in Shoreline, Washington, of course. If you want to check out some more pictures, some more technical specs on this truck, head on over to jdmcarandmotorcycle.com. You'll find all of our inventory there of 200 plus JDM right-hand drive vehicles, what you got in stock, which include motorcycles if that is your thing. You'll find all of our contact over there. Again, website jdmcarandmotorcycle.com. All of that information will be there. Thank you for watching this little walk around. I will see you all with the next one. Have a fantastic day.